Hi everybody, my name is Oscar Santana. I talk about some tips to go to Vienna, Austria. Last holiday I went to Vienna in Austria. I stayed there a week and I went alone. I like because it was cheap. I just paid 1,300 euros. I like it because there was a lot of place to visit. For example, I went to the Belvedere Palace and Schönbrunn Palace. I like them a lot. The weather in Vienna. The weather in Vienna in winter is cold. You should wear warm clothes. Some tips to enjoy Vienna. You should wear appropriate clothes for the season. It is necessary that you wear comfortable shoes to walk around the city. It is necessary that you take a snack there. You should take into account the public transport skills. It is necessary that you use public transport. It is necessary that you take pictures of everything. It is necessary that you take into account the price to shop some souvenirs. You should taste the typical food. What you should do? You should go out at night and see the downtown. The public transport is open all night, and you can walk and take a great view of the city. What you shouldn't do not. You shouldn't miss the view of the blue Danube River. It is beautiful. Thank you. Bye bye.